everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I have been getting a lot of requests lately to share my skincare routine with all of you people. Okay, fine. Nobody has asked me about my skincare routine, but I still want to share it with you guys. Like, I have been working on my skin for quite some time and I've been seeing some visible changes. I want to share it with you guys. So yes, I will do it and nobody can stop me. Now I experiment with my skincare quite a lot thanks to my profession. But yes, I do have some like heroes, or you can say superstars of skincare that I absolutely swear by. I've been using them for so long and they are working on my skin. And in this particular video, I want to share those superstars with you also. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now first things first, you have to make sure that your skin is clean. Whether you use a face wash, you use a cleansing milk, you use a micellar water, you use anything. But the most important step in upping your skincare game is to make sure that your skin is absolutely squeaky clean. Then comes the role of serums. Now back in the day, after cleansing, we used to just instantly moisturize our face, but now the new it thing is serums. Serums have always been a very strong part of the Korean skincare, but now they're also picking up pace in India. So what is a serum? A serum is a concentrated formula which is specifically meant to target a particular problem. So there are n number of serums in the market and you can choose whatever you want as per your requirement. Currently, I am using two serums for my skin types. The first one is the Dot & Key Niacinamide Skin Clearing Serum. This serum has 10% niacinamide, which is a really good percentage of niacinamide to have.
The consistency of this serum is just like water. It applies beautifully on the skin. The skin absorbs it really well and it leaves a beautiful sheen behind.
Now the reason why I use a serum with niacinamide is that, like, although visibly I have a clear skin, but I do have a lot of spots here and there. Like, one is quite visible over here and I do have past acne spots, and there's a little bit of melasma here and there. So I wanted a spot correcting serum. So niacinamide is a great ingredient if you want to have like a blemish free skin. So this is this product by Dot & Key has 10% niacinamide. It also has got zinc in it, so together they work to clear your skin, to reduce any kind of inflammation, and to make your skin blemish free, and also to give you that inherent glow. And trust me guys, I have been using this product for over 20 days now and I have started seeing differences on my face. Now after my skin clearly absorbs the entire niacinamide serum, I move on to the next serum, which is the Dot & Key Water Drench Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. So anybody who has a dry skin would know the importance of hyaluronic acid in their skincare. So I was looking for a serum which has good concentration of hyaluronic acid because my dry skin can definitely use it. So I went for this Dot & Key serum.
The hyaluronic serum is slightly cloudy in color and slightly thick in texture if we compare it to the niacinamide serum. It spreads beautifully on the skin and the skin absorbs it magically.
So to apply this, I take one full dropper. Like, I don't care if they are saying 3 drops or 4 drops. I apply one full dropper of this product. I just lightly rub it in my hands and I massage it all over my face. And when you massage it, you will actually, especially if you have dry skin, you will feel the skin absorbing the serum. I mean, that is this feeling. It is so beautiful because you really feel like that you're feeding water to your thirsty skin. And yeah, the after effects are so good. I mean, you can literally feel the plumpness in your skin and the whole vibrancy coming back. Like, for me, this product is an absolute essential because I have dry skin and I do not drink water. I mean, in no ways am I saying that you can replace water drinking with any product, but yeah, it helps. Hyaluronic products help, and this one is a really good hyaluronic serum. And after you're done with your serums, you have to moisturize your face. Never be under this impression that serum is a moisturizer. It is not. Serums are meant for specific problems, and moisturizer is meant for hydrating your overall skin. So after I'm done with the serums, I move over to the next step, which is moisturizing. So to moisturize my face, I use the Dot & Key Hydrating Gel plus Probiotics. Now this hydrating gel has a combination of kombucha and fermented rice water, which is a combination that I have never heard of before, but yes, it is a very healthy combination because kombucha is super rich in vitamin B, which makes sure that your skin is healthy in the sense that it makes sure that the turnover of your cell is always on point, and it kind of gives you that glow from within. And talking about fermented rice water, I mean, everybody knows that people in Korea are crazy about using fermented rice water on their skin because it helps to reduce the pore size, it makes sure the skin is even, and most importantly, it brightens the skin. So rice water has a lot of benefits.
The hydrating gel has a very light consistency. It has a beautiful sky blue color. It spreads beautifully on the skin, and if your skin is dry, it's going to absorb every bit of it.
To apply this product, I take good dollop. I apply dots all over my face and massage it evenly and make sure that your skin completely absorbs it. And after using it for a while, I realized that this product is every bit of goodness that it claims to be. Like, I just love this product, right from the packaging to the texture to the overall effect it has on my skin. Like, just trust me when I say this, if you are a dry skin person, then this is the combination that you need in your life. This is going to work miraculously for dry skin, and of course if you have like problem of spots and something, then this niacinamide is going to work really well. In fact, I'll tell you what, before I invested in the niacinamide serum, I have actually finished an entire bottle of the vitamin C serum that they have. That was also really good, and then I wanted to try the niacinamide, and this is equally good. I mean, I can see the spots and everything fading away. So this was my entire daytime skincare routine, and I absolutely love these superstar skincare products from Dot & Key. You should definitely give them a try. They have some really interesting ingredients that they work on, and they have cute packaging, the fragrance is awesome, and there are 10,000 other reasons to buy it which I can name, but for right now all I can say is that these products are really good, and yeah, you should definitely give them a try. So this was all from my side today for today's video. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.